Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for the Aloha kit. This is Simply Gilded's July setup here and I'm super excited because I saw the sneaks on Instagram and I can't wait to jump in. I'm going to just open this up and try to sort it out and move the mystery item out, and then I'll show it at the end. So that way anybody who doesn't want to know what the mystery item is doesn't get surprised. So hang on, I'll be right back. I think I'm also going to open up all the washi tape too, so that way we can look at the washi. All right, be right back. All right, I have opened up everything. I've got the mystery item off to the side, which is super cute, and I'm just going to go through whatever's in here. So this is just your card that tells you everything that's in it. Mystery items at the bottom. I went through to make sure that I put the right thing off to the side. So set that over there. Here is your journaling card, and it's got this beautiful silver foiling on it. Love this. I know exactly where I'm going to put it. Here is the pencil board. It's got the little turtles on it. I like this side too. I've never had one of these before, so interested to see how I use it. Here is your notebook. This is the B6 notebook that comes, and I have a little stash of these starting. Your stickers, and then the notepad with the little squares that fit. I think it's like, looks like it fits almost like Happy Planner size or Erin Condren size boxes. So if you wanted to decorate this, you totally could, but I know exactly what I'm going to use it for. So I'll put that off to the side. Then you got this gorgeous pad here. I think she calls it a pad folio, and it's got your heart snap on it. It's got a little end here so that you can clip one of your clips on it, and then when you open it up, it's got pockets here, a pocket here, here, and here. So you can totally use this to hold all kinds of stuff in here. This is gorgeous. I'm so excited about this. This is why I had to run in here and do the unboxing real quick, because today is a work day and I wanted to take this and some of these other items to work with me so I could mess around with them. So I had to show you first before I destroyed my box of goodies. So then there's this really pretty little silk pouch, which last month, the one that came last month, this worked out perfectly because I just put my washis in it, closed it up, and then threw it in my bag. And then I had my washi tapes with me all week whenever, because I take all my planning stuff. I have like a little bag that I put my planner stuff in. So next is the pen. Love their pens. Actually used this one more than I did my other one, the one from last month. So I'm sure I will be using this one a lot. I love the way this writes. It's a very smooth writing tool there. I think I'll do the stickers next, then we'll do the washi and then the mystery item. So let's open up the stickers. If I can find the part to open it. Sorry, you're going to listen to some crinkle. I got rid of some of the crinkle by opening up all the washi tapes, but this one you're going to have to listen to. Okay, so you've got your date dots here, and they're all hearts. And at the bottom, there's a bunch of icons. I like that. Here, you've got a whole bunch of icons. Again, these are hearts. This has a couple full boxes and some half boxes and checklists in the middle. And it looks like deco up here. You've got your decals, which I used them last month and I am in love with these. I put them on the outside of birthday cards when I send birthday cards. And then here are your date covers, some more full boxes, your little icons, checklists, and the cute little bows. And then more of your to-dos and your full boxes and your flags and icons. This little deco, deco. And then these are strips. Yep, those are your like header strips. So there are all of the stickers. I love her stickers. And I love how there isn't like 500 sheets of them. So that way I'm not left with a bunch of leftovers at the end of the month, and that makes me happy. So let's go through the washi. So I get the add-on washi. I'm not going to open these because they're kind of stuck together at the moment, and I like that. So I don't want to lose them. But I like this size. That's why I get the add-on, is because I don't have a lot of this real thin washi, and I love this blue. Can you see this blue? I am going to take you apart. Can you see that blue? It's got like a ombre, so it's lighter at the bottom and gets darker at the top, and then it's got the silver bows. I love it. And then here's all your other colors. And I do not have any neon washi, so this is going to be interesting for me. I love it. I just don't, I've never had any reason to have it. And this month, I'm going to show you this really quick. You get 2 different sizes of the sparkly. So I don't know how well you can see it, but if you are a subscriber, this is sparkly washi. So it's beautiful. This one has the little turtles and hearts all the way around it, and it's got this beautiful sparkle to it. And then this one is just like all the different colors, almost like a watercolor look to it. Gorgeous. Love it. So there's that one. Then you've got your bows with like this rainbow pattern, and these are silver bows. I like that this is a silver kit. And you've got these ones that pull apart, so then these ones are in silver. Your headers. This looks like little waves, neon pink, and then another ombre, a little bit bigger, but it's still got the silver bows. And it's got a more dramatic ombre than this one does. So love it. Whoever posted that sale at Michael's for the washi bin, I'm totally going to go buy one because I've been wanting one. And how gorgeous are all these washis going to look in there? So none of my other icky Michael's brand washis or any of that are going to go in that. That's only going to be Simply Gilded, and my Cocoa Daisy washis are going to go in there. Okay, so now I'm going to show the mystery item. So if you don't want to see the mystery item, this is when you would want to bail out. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and here comes the mystery item. So this month we have their nail decals. And if I had known that these were coming, I would have waited to do my nails. But that's okay because I'm going to do them again anyway. But you've got all kinds of different little Aloha styled nail decals on here, along with her silver bows, which I love the silver bows. So, and you know, like I'm totally into the silver. So I'm going to have those on my nails. Absolutely going to have those on my nails. The rest of them I'll probably give to my daughter because she will use the rest of them. So that is the mystery item this month. And that is everything that I have for you. Real quick, I'll show you this. I made this one myself, but this is where I've been keeping my B6s until I get an actual B6 folder that I want. So I just kind of made this. It's real cheesy. Don't really look at it too hard. But I'm keeping like my folders in here. And I was wondering if you guys have any suggestions on where I can get a B6 folder to hold these, because I want to switch over to a B6 planner. And I like this size. I think it's perfect. It's better than my TN, which is a little bit smaller. But if you guys have any suggestions for places to go that aren't like, you know, $75 for a B6 holder, I can't really put that in my budget right now. But I would really love to know, because no local stores carry them. So it's all A5 or TN size. Nobody really has B6. So anyway, if you do know, could you pop it in the comments for me so I can go check them out? I'd really, really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.